The updated vaccines have four primary advantages compared to the original vaccine. One is that they retain protection for the original strain. The second is that they provide updated protection, better protection against the currently circulating strains, BA.4 and BA.5. The third is they do induce a broader immune response that is expected to provide better protection against future variants. And the fourth is it does provide a boost to make sure that everybody does have up-to-date immunity going into the winter season. So these updated COVID boosters contain mRNA that encode for spike protein for two different strains of the virus. One is the original strain that was in the original vaccines, and the other is updated, so it includes the spike protein for BA.4, BA.5. And for each vaccine, both Moderna and for Pfizer, each vaccine contains half of each, half of the old formulation and half of the newer updated formulation. Studies have shown that by using this bivalent approach, you get a broader immune response, and this might even help protect against future variants. So not only will we retain protection against the original strain and get updated, better protection against currently circulating strains, but this may even protect against future variants that we haven't seen yet. Anybody who's 12 years of age and older who's at least received the primary series of vaccination is eligible to be boosted. So this includes people who've just had the primary series, people who've had the primary series and one booster, or people who've had the primary series and two boosters. It has to be at least 2 months since the last vaccine dose. And we do this to make sure that we optimize the immune response. For those who have had recent infection with COVID, it's best to wait 3 months after the infection to get this new booster formulation. Even though COVID is currently circulating at less high levels compared to previous in this year, we still have 500 people a day dying in the US from COVID, so it still is a serious threat to people's health. This boosting program is expected to save between 100,000 and 150,000 lives over the next 6 months. So the adverse effects following immunization with the new booster are very similar to what we've seen with previous doses of the vaccine. There's no new adverse effects or side effects that are going to be expected. We still continue to expect some people to have a sore arm for a day or two following immunization. Some people may have a fever or other systemic side effects, such as tiredness. These generally go away in 1 to 2 days.